Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to loop a YouTube video on laptop or PC. So if you also want to loop a YouTube video on laptop or PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open YouTube on browser. For that, simply open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on search bar. After that, simply type in youtube.com. After that, YouTube will be opened. Now simply open the video of your choice. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to watch the video from over here. If you want this video to play over and over again, you might want to loop the video. Looping the video basically plays the video over and over again without you manually have to do it. So in order to loop the video, what you have to do is right click on any part of video. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Over here you'll be able to see several options. At first you'll be able to find the option for loop. All you have to do is click on it. Now you just loop the video. Now if the video ends, it will be played again. Let us quickly go to the end of this video. Now you can see over here the same video will play. So that is how you loop video on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.